Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. Today I bring you a smartphone from Blackview. It's the Blackview P10000 Pro. It's a very special smartphone and I will show you why exactly. But first a quick unboxing, very quick. You know, just the box here, gonna leave it there. And once you open it, it's right here. Gorgeous, big device, black, like a black base, the screen here. I'm gonna put it on the side for now and remove this and the actual box. Now we can see everything inside. We have the USB charging cable, type C, by the way, quick charge there, so that's it. We have the adapter, the type C to 3.5mm for the headphone jack. So yes, the smartphone does not have the 3.5mm jack, but that's okay, the adapter is included. Also an OTG adapter, USB out to type C USB here, can be useful as well. Another adapter, USB, again type C here on the one side to micro USB on the other, which is very unusual. You don't see this a lot included with smartphones, and it can be very useful. So that's very nice touch. Next, the metal pin to open the tray for the SIM card or the micro SD card. By the way, it's a dual SIM smartphone, so cool. The plug-in, the brick, the power brick right here from Blackview with a brand. Earphones actually in earphones, so another nice touch. Instruction manual with some information, useful information you might want to read, so that's always nice as well. A screen protector, very important screen protector, so you have your display always safe and so it doesn't get scratched. And finally, a case. Very cool, a rubber case for the smartphone, and since I have it in my hand, let me try, see how it looks. I'm gonna put it on, it's very easy, there you go. Now you might notice, since I'm handling the smartphone, that it is rather large, it's rather beefy in size and design. Gorgeous design, look at this, the back here, it's like this reflective surface in the back, all black, all around black, very sophisticated, but it is rather large. And that's because it has a huge battery, 11,000 milliamps. Now, to put it into perspective, most smartphones have batteries of around 3,000 milliamps. Some of them 4,000, the very good ones. Some of them a little bit less, definitely nowhere near 11,000 milliamps. What that means in practicality is you can actually leave this modern smartphone on standby for 50 days. If you just put it in your table and you don't touch it, it will be on for 50 days or more without any charging. Now that's amazing. And by the way, look at this design. If you drop this smartphone, if you go out with your friends and you just put it on the table, people might actually think you're some kind of CIA operative or something like that. It just looks really cool, well, impressive. Anyway, specs. 6-inch Full HD display, you can see right here. In the front, a dual camera, very unusual feature for any smartphone really. So that's 13 megapixels plus 0.3 megapixel for the front dual camera. And also, by the way, flash LED light right there. And in the back, another dual camera right here, that's 16 megapixels plus another 0.3 megapixel and another flash light. So dual camera, so that means 4 cameras in total, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Still about the specs, inside we have a MediaTek MTK octa-core CPU clocking in at 2 GHz. We have 4 GB of RAM inside plus 64 gigs of storage that can be expanded with a micro SD card, which can be located here on the side. There's like the tray here for the SIM cards, and you can also insert the micro SD card to expand the storage capacity. Once you actually look inside the phone, you'll notice it's running Android 7.1. That's the OS from Google, of course, but it's like a personalized, customized version with the icons and the skin being slightly altered by Blackview to make it, you know, to match the aesthetics of the brand and of this particular smartphone as well. But anyway, when all is said and done, what really matters with the P10000 Pro is the battery. It's huge, 11,000 milliamps. This is the kind of smartphone you can take anywhere and you absolutely do not need to worry about charging it. You can go out at night stay up all night outside, all day working the next day, and you still won't need to charge it. No matter how much you use it, you can play games, you can take pictures, be posting on your social media, whatever, the battery will still be charged, I guarantee you. Check the links below, there's much more to know about this spectacular device, the Blackview P10000 Pro. You know, the price, more details, more specs. Like and subscribe, we have more actually Blackview smartphones at gearbest.com, so check that out. Thank you.